Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to work with GitHub on PC. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for a new account. And if you have an account, you can just log in normally. And once we have logged in, now we can get started. And this is going to be our home page where we can take a look at our top repositories. We have our home info right here and so on. And now we can get started setting up GitHub on our PC. And how to do it, it's very easy and only takes one download and a couple of steps. So basically guys, as you can see right here on the official documents GitHub page, we can take a look at how we can get started setting up Git. At the heart of GitHub is an open source version control system called Git, and now we're going to go and take a look at how we can download Git. Basically, as you can see here, we have the downloading for downloading and installing the latest version of Git. Right here, git/scm.com/download, we can find the download section of Git where we can get started downloading for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, whichever you prefer. If you're using Windows, click on Windows and download it. Once you download it and open it up, now we can get started setting it up. So here we have all the steps on how we can get started, setting up our username and our commit and email address in Git. After that, we can get started with authenticating from GitHub and get started with managing a repository. So you're going to need Git on your PC, and by downloading and setting up Git, you'll be able to use and manage all your repositories directly from your PC, and you'll not be able to open up the website. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.